Hey everybody, welcome back to another video from Carl's Cycle Supply. This video is about a 1942 Harley-Davidson EL. This motor is 1000 cc's or 61 cubic inches. It's finished as a deluxe sport solo, and Harley states in their Legend Begins book that they made 620 EL models. This bike is super nice and was restored with a lot of NOS parts. We included some cool pictures and videos of them throughout this video. If you like this video and want to learn more about 1942 Harley-Davidson Big Twins, click the link in the description to view a playlist that is all about 1942 Harley-Davidson knuckleheads. Hey, this is an awesome 1942 Harley-Davidson EL. It is 1000 cc's, 61 cubic inch. 42 knuckleheads were made second half of 1941 and were really dolled up and flashy looking bikes. This bike has a ton of new old stock parts that we've been setting aside and saving for a perfect bike for a long time. So starting front to back, the front fender is new old stock, the horn's new old stock, the front fender lights new old stock, the tank emblems, the oil pump, the crash bars are new old stock. They were wrapped in the paper. Just tons and tons of stuff. I think maybe the taillight is, I can't remember. This is a really nice bike. It's a 28-degree frame. It's a sweated construction. It's got a sweated fork. The frame and fork came from our friend in Colorado, who we bought a big stash of parts from. And the whole thing is just really a nice representation of what a 42 knucklehead should look like. 42 was the first year for long rib cases. These are indestructible, awesome bulletproof cases. They have long ribs on the left case, no baffle plates, just really fantastic and tough. It's the second year of the 7-inch air cleaner. It is the second year of the extended rocker box. This frame was an uncut frame that had never been welded on or messed with. The bottom rails are a little chewed up and dented up, but we just left it and thought it was really cool. It has the squash birds, it has the badges on the saddlebags and the cool glow bright jewels. It's the first year of the taillight that has the lenses held in with screws. Second year of this muffler. First year of this overhead oil line, which is a big improvement. It's a deluxe sport solo. That means it has all the bells and whistles. Chrome rims, chrome dash, chrome headlight and taillight, squash birds, spotlights, chrome handlebars. The color is a 2-year only color. It's called Cruiser Green. We got the sample from a set of original paint tanks that my dad bought when I was in high school. It's a really cool dark turquoise color, and I think it looks awesome. I really love it. Well, here's the left side of the 42. This bike looks as good on the left side as it does on the right. This one kind of gives it away that we set it up to ride it. We have a 12-volt generator on it and a 12-volt Andrews coil on it. We've talked about it in other videos. It's something that we like to do on our rider bikes so that if we're out on the road or having problems, we can get batteries or bulbs. And saying that, we never really have problems with them. It's just a good upgrade. So we didn't damage anything on the bike. I have a rebuilt 6-volt generator for it. And if I wanted to, or we wanted to, we could switch it back to 6 volts in an afternoon. It's a very simple thing to do. It has a NOS golfer guy shift knob. This is one of the accessory pictures that they had. And I think these are like for about $39 to $42. It has new old stock emblems.
Old stock emblems for my 42. So we're going to open it up. Here's the left emblem. And here's the right emblem.
Yep.
Never been on a motorcycle.
You gotta be super careful because they throw reject parts in the boxes and sell them to the dealers. So a lot of times NOS has defects, but these ones are good. It has an original chrome headlight, original chrome NOS fender light, no gasket, which is correct for the pre-war bikes. There's just a little bit of shelf wear on this. I actually took it out of the box and put it on the bike. This has a little shelf wear and this has a little shelf wear, so they aren't quite up to snuff. I don't know, it's a 42 knucklehead. I think this is the last color that we haven't done for the video series, so if you like 42 knuckleheads, you can look at every color that they had available. Skyway blue, flight red, black, and cruiser green. This bike was made in late 41. It's got a lot of cool chrome accessories that are part of the Deluxe Sport Solo package. I'm excited to start riding it. It's a 61. The dash is a nice chrome-plated original V-panel dash with a square cutout in it. The cat eye lenses are original ones. The Speedo is a 41-6 Speedo that came on my wife's 1940 Knucklehead that she found at an estate sale. We found the right Speedo for the 40 and then put that Speedo on this bike. It's a 61-inch big flywheel engine, 28-degree frame, which makes it very low and very fun to ride. And we'll just start wearing this thing out and put it in service. Thanks for watching. Here is a 42 Knucklehead that we've spent 7 or 8 years gathering up all the pieces for, and it's kind of the culmination of a lot of years of work. It was hard to find everything. It took a lot of time and patience to get everything working and happy, and now we're going to fire it up for the first time. We have oil in the motor, we have oil in the transmission, and we've never fired this bike up, so hopefully it starts. I have a pretty good feeling it will. We double check the fluids. There's engine oil, transmission oil, and then we have gas in the right fuel tank. Next thing to do is check for leaks, and I'm going to turn on the gas, put it on reserve, and now the gas from the right tank will start going into the left tank. You can see it in the bottom. I check for leaks on the crossover line. There's nothing going on there, and now the fuel's going from one tank to the other and then down to the carb, and it takes 17 seconds for the float bowl to fill up. It's probably been 5 or 6. If there's no gas coming out of the fuel float bowl, we'll be good to go. It actually doesn't come out of the float bowl, it comes out of this little hole on the side. So far, so good. Sometimes the float sticks. It's rubbing on the side of the bowl or the stem. It's real easy to adjust, and we check them, but mistakes happen. So I think we're doing good. That means the needle and seat's working, the float has gone up, it's closed the seat, it's not bringing gas in anymore, and this thing's ready to prime and fire. So there are thousands of things that have to work together to make these things a happy motorcycle, and we're pretty thorough and we have good checks and balances, but mistakes still happen. So I'm hoping this thing starts on the first kick. What do you guys think? Do you think it's going to take 20 or 30 or 2 or 3, or do you think I should just give up and go back to school? Leave a comment. Brian, I need you to go get a Bible and swear on it that you won't edit out the number of kicks this takes.